Hey guys, this is Mr. Chavez. I'm going to show you around this website called Seesaw. It's a pretty cool little website that we're going to use this summer for reading and math. And I'm just going to give you a little quick tutorial how to navigate through it so that you're more familiar with it come Monday when we start going with this program. So first off, you want to get to the website called right here, seesaw.com, and then you want to click login right here as a student. So you click I'm a student, and there'll be a prompt here. Don't click here sign with Google. I gave you guys a class code that you're going to text or a QR code, and it was in your messages, and it should look something like this. See, there's the link right there. You're going to choose I'm a student, and you can either type it in, the code right here, or you can scan it with the QR code. I'm just going to go ahead and use the letters. I'm just going to copy and paste it right here where it says text code. And I'm going to click go. This is going to be the dashboard that you're going to see when you log in. It'll say Summer School 2020. Your name would be right here. The activities, everything that we're going to do in class for reading and math will be posted up right here. This is just a little demo activity for you guys that have time, and you'll get on, you sign on right now. In this demo activity, you'll have a picture, and I'll leave you instructions. So you can go ahead and click it here, and there's the assignment view that you see there. So the instructions will be here. So like I said, this demo activity, just to help you better understand your way around Seesaw. You can add a video or say hi, how have you been dealing with the whole COVID-19 pandemic? So kind of give us a little video about what you've been doing besides the schoolwork to kind of keep your mind, healthy during this quarantine, since we haven't been able to do anything or been around like the way normally we would have. So that's the little demo activity. It's not for a grade, but just so you guys can get familiar with the website. So in this activity, you want to click here, add response. Then you're going to have these 6 icons right here. You have your photo. Obviously, if you want to send pictures, you can put that in there. You want to upload a file from the computer, you can do that here also. You want to submit a drawing, video. You want to give us a website link and a note. So the first one I'm going to show you is going to be the notepad. When you click it, because we are going to have some activities, we're going to be explaining our thoughts. Here's your little notepad journal. Now you can type your responses here just like you normally would, proper grammar, punctuation, everything else. And then once you're done, you'll see the green check mark right here. You can go ahead and click it, and then you see on the bottom of the screen, you have these 2, record and edit. If you read your note and you notice you made a mistake, well, you can always go back here and edit the note again, right there. Once you're done, click the green check mark. If you want to record something, like let's say you want to add more to it using your voice, you can go ahead and click record, and you see that button right there, you can go ahead and click it, and you start recording. And from there, you can start, you'll press the little pause button that's here, and you'll see your message right there. If you don't like it, you can redo it again, put it in the trash. Right here, if you want to download it and save it for yourself personally, you can go ahead and do that too. But once you're done with it and you're satisfied with it, click the green check mark and click it again. And you submitted your response to me here. This is what it'll look like. Now, you're going to see waiting for teacher approval. That's completely normal. Everything you turned in, I'm going to grade it. And I'm going to send it back. So, once you see that, you're good. If you look right here in these 2 icons, you have ones with the 3 bars, which is this, everything in a list view. And then right here, it's a little calendar. And this calendar will show you, like on Monday, we're going to do this. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you have all your assignments by days. So that way you know ahead of time what's going to be coming up, what's due, and everything else like that. So that was the note feature. Let me show you the drawing feature. So if you want to draw stuff, on the bottom toolbar, you have your pencil. You can change the color however you want it to be. Just like that. I'm just scribbling so you get the gist of it. Here's the pen. You have your highlighter. You have this little special effect marker. Over here to the left, and also up here you have your undo button. So if you want to undo something, your magnifying glass if you want to make it bigger, your trash can if you don't like it, you want to start it again, there it is. Right here, this is the text button, so you can change the color of the text right there. Once you're done typing, you can rotate it like this, make it bigger, smaller, however you want it. The microphone, if you want to add your voice into your picture, like right now my voice is recording. You see right here on the top, I only have a 5-minute limit, so just keep it short and just click done. We got that going. Once you're done with it, just click the little green check mark and it's gonna upload it. Now let me go back to the drawing real quick here. You can also add pictures. You can take a photo using if you guys have a webcam, you can use that, or you can upload any other pictures you have saved on your computer and you can put it on there. So I'm just gonna take a picture just for now. Just kidding. But there's that one. Now can you just click the green check. It's gonna be uploading. And there it is. And all that's right here at the little plus where it says add. Okay, and the other ones are pretty much self-explanatory, the video, adding a link and everything else. So yeah, right here, this is all in the student journal tab. Right here in the activities, like I said, this is where all your lessons will be at the class activities. And then right here on the inbox, this is going to be where if I send you personal messages about your work or anything like that, it can be here, or you can message me for anything like that. But I believe you guys should have my number, my email address, so text me, email me all your questions and concerns. If you want to log out, right here you'll see your name and you'll click sign out from there. And that's it. That's pretty much all how Seesaw works. So if you guys don't have any more questions, use this video as a quick little reminder to help you out. It'll be on my YouTube page, so you can be there and follow that. But I look forward to working with you guys and hope to see you guys soon. See you later.